everybody. Last night I read for my bedtime story a story called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Wow, it was a lovely story. Goldilocks went into the house and she tried 3 bowls of porridge. Ooh, one was too hot, one was too salty, and the other was just right, and she gobbled it all up. Do you know that story? It's one of my favourite ones. Made me very hungry for some porridge this morning. So, last night I got it all ready. And I called it Overnight Oats. It's a bit like porridge, but you can have it hot or you can have it cold. I like to have mine cold this morning. Let's see what we need to do. Have you got your looking eyes? Have you got your lips closed? Ready for your ears to do the good listening? Use calm hands and calm bodies, and that will help your ears do good listening to take all the things into your head, and your brain will grow bigger. Okay. First, pour the oats into your bowl. Next, pour the milk into the bowl. Now, then choose your fruit. I like to have strawberries, or maybe blueberries. Sometimes I like bananas. What will you choose today? Cut your fruit and put it into your bowl of porridge. Finally, put it into the fridge, the cold fridge, all night. And then in the morning time, it will be a delicious bowl of overnight oats. Enjoy it. It's a really healthy breakfast and it's very quick because you can organise it all the day before, which means it's easy. Just get it out the fridge and eat it all up, just like Goldilocks. Enjoy. Bye everybody.